guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today we're making another cute spider, and this is a spider decoration. I know the last two have been spider wreaths, so I decided to change it up a bit. So you will need one pumpkin sign, and it says welcome friends, and it's on the little stand from Dollar Tree. And you'll want to spray paint the sign and the stand black. Remove the burlap and the little bow before you spray paint it outside. And you're going to need some felt, you're going to need some ribbon, hot glue gun, glue sticks, your scissors, some floral stem wire, and you're going to need something like, I used some Gatorade bottle lids. This was the larger size Gatorade bottle, and I just traced it on this kind of tan color felt. I wanted yellow or orange, but I couldn't find any, so I went with this kind of beige color. So I'm using the larger size Gatorade lid to trace a circle on my felt. And then next I got the smaller size Gatorade bottle lid and traced it on the white felt. So I'm making the little spider's eyes using felt. And then for the inside part of his little eyes, I traced on the black felt. I just got a dime out and traced the dime. I had to get a blue Sharpie so it would show up so I could see where to cut on the black felt. But I just used a dime for the inside of his eyes. So after you have his eyes traced, you're going to want to carefully cut your little circles out of the felt. Okay, and this is what it looks like with them all cut out, and I didn't do a very good job cutting them out. I don't know, I just can't seem to cut a perfect circle. But you're going to take your felt circles and you're going to carefully hot glue them on your pumpkin. So I went with the beige first, and then I put the white next, and then the black in the center of the white for the little spider's eyes. Now if you have the little googly eyes, the smaller size, those would be so cute, but I did not have those, so I went with the felt instead. But I love the little googly eyes, as y'all know, because of the two wreaths I just made. And if you haven't watched those two tutorials, I'll link the spider splatter screen wreath and the one I did last night. I'll link them below in the description box for you. Okay, and here I am taking a pipe cleaner and making the little spider's mouth. And this is just a lime green fuzzy pipe cleaner, so I just shaped it like I wanted and I hot glued it onto the spider. So just be careful when you're using your hot glue. And next I am tying a bow, and this is some ribbon that came from Michael's, and it does not have wire. So I'm just tying 2 loops on the left, 2 loops on the right, and I'm going to use a piece of floral stem wire in the center. So just try to make your loops the same size on each side, and you wouldn't, if you don't want to, you don't have to make a bow, but I just like to add a bow on everything. So I'm just taking my floral stem wire, wrapping it around the center of my ribbon and giving it a few twists. Now you probably want to leave your wires a little longer than I cut mine. I almost got mine too short, because you're going to take your bow and you're going to wrap the wires around the center of the pumpkin stem. So just twist the wires around the pumpkin stem, and then you'll want to fold the wires down. You could hot glue your bow on if you don't want to use the wires to twist it on, but this just worked out good for me, so either way works, whatever's easiest for you to do. You're going to need 4 pipe cleaners for the little spider's legs. And I just have some of the fuzzy pipe cleaners. I can't remember if I got them at Hobby Lobby or Walmart, but you're going to pick out 4 pipe cleaners, and I just went with purple. And you're going to take your hot glue and you're going to put a strip across the back, and then you're going to place your pipe cleaner in the hot glue. So just be real careful, don't burn yourself. I am using the low temp hot glue gun that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I really like it. So mine's the low temp. So just hot glue your pipe cleaners, try to center them up so that the legs are the equal lengths on each side. And I just hot glued my 4 pipe cleaners on, and then let it dry for a little while. This is very simple to make, very inexpensive too, and it turns out really cute. Now you could hang the little spider up if you wanted to, but I decided to put mine back in the little stand, so I just carefully popped it back in the stand and added a little hot glue so that it would stay in place. But these would be very cute to add on a wreath if you wanted to. So lots of options here, but I just put mine on a stand. And I want to let you know that my daughter's dog is doing much better today. So thank you guys, all of you that commented and said you were praying for her. I really appreciate it, guys. So she's much better today. And this is how it looks on my mantle. Sorry I didn't have a bright light on it, but it turned out really cute. And if you want to, before you spray paint, you could sand it, but I didn't sand mine. And so this is how it looks, guys. It's really kind of, you know, fun and whimsical, something different for your mantle. So I hope you like this video, guys. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and share this video. And I would love to have you as a subscriber.